Good morning, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're checking out this 2023 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. This particular boat is powered with a Mercury 250. Great power for all your water activities. Let's show you your ski pylon. It says Sea Deck here on the swim platform, which is real great for the toes, nice and soft, non-slip. Walk-through entryway, which is very important, so now you're not jumping all over the cushions. You have seating here. It's a nice port lounger. It's with multiple positions. Again, nice walk-through as you're coming through. Battery switch is right here. Great setup here on the back. Nice L-shaped lounger here. This is also the big sun pad. This boat has tons of storage on it. So right now, the current owner has all the safety equipment. There's tables that's set up for bow and cockpit, fenders, all the stuff that you need. Very easy. Now, this boat is also equipped with a wakeboard tower, which is nice. So you have a ski pylon up on the top for all you wakeboard activists out there. Flooring is in infinity woven vinyl. It's removable, nice and comfortable again on the feet. You can wash the deck all down. Great seating. This is has your Simrad dash on here. It's a digital dash, so that's your GPS chart plotter, sounder, all your Mercury engine data, everything is in there. Tilt helm, Fusion stereo, so you can listen to some tunes while you're out there. All your ignition and everything. Controls. There's your helm chair with a thigh-rise seating. Cup holders, USB port, 12-volt receptacle. Inside over here, this is your head compartment. This has a porta potty with a pump out, so this way you don't ever have to touch it except for adding fluids, water, and doing sanitizer. Have a walk-through right here, super comfortable. That's your pump out fitting right here for when you get gas, you let the guys know. Kind of like gauge it on how you're using it. You have seating up here in the front, with storage up underneath. What's also nice too is on this size boat, Sea Ray actually incorporated a anchor locker with a lid, which is nice. Very comfortable, nice and easy. A lot of seating and a lot of comfort for everybody. So you can put up to 10 people on this boat. This is a great dock and dine, a sandbar boat, just water activities, cruising around, quick, simple, easy, two-piece cover, cockpit and bow cover. So if you want to see this boat or any other boat, give us a call here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Patrick Loda, 609-926-0600. And this boat is also, has been a rack-kept boat, so it never stayed in the water with no bottom pain. Give us a call. It's real sharp looking. Could be yours. See you on the